Hello friends and students. Today in fifth lesson we will learn about noun and its kinds. Today we are going to teach you about what is noun and what are different kinds of noun. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel for more educational videos. This lesson is a very basic lesson. If you are searching for English grammar to learn, you are in a right place. What is noun? A word used is the name of person, place or thing is called noun. Noun क्या चीज़ है? Noun से मुराद किसी इंसान, जगह या चीज़ का नाम है. Things mean anything that we can think of. Example of nouns are Pakistan, King Faisal, country, table, book, bird, etc. Let's discuss 6 kinds of nouns in English grammar. Number 1. Common noun. The name given in common to every person or thing mean common noun. Common noun means shared by all. Anything that is shared by all is common. That's why we refer common noun to common places, common things, and common persons. Example of the common noun is the king was very kind. In this sentence, the king is a common because a king can be anything. Here in this example, king is a common noun. King can be anyone. There are different kinds of common noun, and we are not going to discuss in details in this lesson. Number 2, proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of some particular person or place. Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Dear students, let's consult an example of a proper noun in a sentence. Let's use proper noun in a sentence. King Faisal was very kind. King Faisal was very kind. Here King Faisal is proper noun. Number 3, collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is the name of a number or collection of person, things taken together and as a whole. Example of collective nouns are army, crowd, family, nation, jury. Let's use a collective noun in a sentence. The crowd dispersed after sunset. The crowd dispersed after sunset. Number 4, abstract noun. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state. The examples of abstract nouns are goodness, kindness, which are qualities, movement, which is action, and childhood, which is state. Let's use this abstract noun in a sentence. King was famous for his kindness. The king was famous for his kindness. Here kindness means an abstract noun. These can be formed from adjectives, verbs, and common noun. Number 5, kind of noun is countable nouns. Countable nouns are the names of people, objects, and objects that we can count. Examples of countable nouns are pen, book, horse, boy, apple, sister, doctor, etc. Number 6, kind of noun is uncountable nouns or uncountables. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which cannot be counted. Example of uncountable nouns are milk, oil, sugar, and gold, etc. So students and friends, this was all about noun and different kinds of noun. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you are interested to learn English language from the basics, from the beginning, so you are in a right place, hit the subscribe button and like our videos, comment here and we will respond. And if you are confused about something, you can comment here and we will make another video to clarify your confusions. Goodbye, dear students.